Hello, and welcome to today's discussion on social protection, a crucial topic impacting millions around the world. Today, we delve into the current state of social protection and the pressing challenges that lie ahead. Despite global advancements, massive coverage gaps in social protection remain a critical issue. Staggeringly, 1.6 billion people in low-income countries, LICs, and middle-income countries, MICs, receive no social protection at all. For those living in extreme poverty, a shocking 88% lack adequate or any social protection. This issue is most severe in LICs in sub-Saharan Africa, where 98% and 97% of the populations, respectively, are unprotected. Lower middle-income countries, LMICs, also face challenges, with over 30% of the population without sufficient coverage. MICs bear the largest burden, predominantly due to their larger populations, leaving 1.2 billion people unprotected. If we were to consider this as a metrics game, sub-Saharan Africa would unfortunately be the most affected, with 70% lacking any form of social protection. Between 2010 and 2022, some progress was made, with social protection coverage in LICs and MICs increasing from 41% to 51%. However, this progress is insufficient. Many populations remain uncovered, leaving them highly vulnerable to economic shocks, climate change, and conflicts. At the current pace, extending social protection coverage fully to people living in extreme poverty will take until 2043. Reaching the poorest 20% will take until 2045. This timeline does not align with the Sustainable Development Goal, SDG Target 1.3, which aims for universal social protection systems by 2030. Without faster reforms, substantial coverage by the deadline is at risk. Funding issues further complicate the situation. High-income countries spend significantly more on social protection than LICs, with the former spending 5.3 times more of their GDP and 85.8 times more per capita. LICs invest merely 0.8% of GDP on social assistance, and upper MIC countries spend 2%. The concentration of spending on social insurance for formal workers neglects the poorer and informal sectors. Furthermore, around $7 trillion in global subsidies often benefit wealthier sections rather than the vulnerable. The current social protection systems are unprepared for climate-induced shocks, conflicts, and pandemics. Climate change alone could push an additional 130 million people into extreme poverty by 2030. Fragile and conflict-affected countries in Africa and Asia, home to 60% of the world's extreme poor, will see worsening social protection gaps if these issues are not urgently addressed.